Login failed on eToro app fix. You launch the eToro app to check your trades or copy your favorite investor, but instead of logging in, you see login failed. Most users think it's a password issue, but the real cause is often something else. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. eToro's app requires a secure connection to sync your trading data in real time. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode off and on. Then reopen the app. Next, update the eToro app. Outdated versions can clash with the latest security and authentication systems. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search for eToro, and tap Update. Afterward, restart your phone for good measure. If that doesn't help, re-enter your credentials manually. Autofill may use old login info, especially if you've changed your password recently. Type in your email and password carefully, and if needed, tap Forgot Password to reset it. Still can't log in? Try clearing your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select eToro, and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app achieves the same effect. Also, disable any VPNs or ad blockers you're using. eToro often blocks logins from masked or foreign IP addresses to prevent suspicious access. Finally, if none of this works, it could be a temporary outage on eToro's end. Maintenance or heavy server loads can cause login interruptions. Wait 10 to 20 minutes and try again. So, if your eToro app says login failed, don't stress. Check your connection, update your app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and turn off your VPN. Most of the time, you'll be back trading and tracking your portfolio in just a few minutes.